Okay guys, I'm back. I've got a few things done here. A little cold today, my nose is running. Oh, that's like 40, I don't know what to do. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this around and show you what I've got. First of all, you gotta take that shroud off and the fan off. I showed you the fan, that's not too hard to do. It's got right-hand threads on it. And then the guard here, this is the bottom of it. And to get the bottom cover off, see that hole right there? And that one right there? There's another piece that bolts on down there, so you got to take that. There it is right there. You can see it right here, this thing. Anyway, that bolts on, get that off. And then of course get your belt off. I got the belt off. I've already got the alternator bracket off. I've already almost got it out of there. So what I'm doing here is just showing you the tail end of it. Anyway, you take these two bolts loose. These are slotted here, so you don't have to take them all out. You can if you want to. Of course, take your connections loose right here like that. Get everything off of it. And this thing, actually right now, it just pull right on out of there. You don't have to pull this fan out of here. I've seen one guy pull that fan out. I'm going, well, you pull that fan out of there. You have to pull that out of there. Anyway, so I'm gonna finish up here with it. And if you guys like this video, do me a favor, subscribe to it. Hit that like button and do all that good stuff like everybody else tells you, because I'm trying to build my channel up to where I can at least have a chance at something better in life. Anyway, I'm glad I could come to you again. Hope this helps you guys out. Subscribe to me.